everyone. So a few of you have told me that they find the crab position, which is this one, on the ground really hard to do and strenuous on the wrists. So an easier way to practice that is if you just go and put your hand on something that's a little bit higher. So I have the bench here, but this can be a couch or a table, maybe not a dining room table because that is pretty high, maybe a coffee table. And then you just kind of stay static, and if you feel good, the thing that you cannot do is you cannot move opposite hand, opposite leg, because that would look like, oh, actually you can. Oh my God, nonsense, you can. Great, you can move opposite hand and opposite leg. And just move back and forth on something that's a little bit higher until you feel comfortable. And once you feel more comfortable, just go onto the ground and see how it feels. If it feels better, great, stay on the ground. If it's not good, just go up a little bit higher again. Okay, thank you.